The independent samples t-test evaluates the difference between means of two independent or unrelated groups. That is, you evaluate whether the means for two independent groups are significantly different from each other. The independent samples t-test is commonly referred to as a between groups design and can be used to analyze a control and experimental group. With an independent sample t-test, each case must have scores on two variables, the grouping variable and the test variable. The grouping variable divides cases into two mutually exclusive groups or categories, such as boys or girls, football players or basketball players, salaries paid to finance department employees or marketing department employees, satisfaction levels of customers or non-customers, population growth in two different countries. The t-test evaluates whether the mean value of the test variable for one group differs significantly from the mean value of the test variable for second group. The Excel workbook, heights of players, supplies data, represents heights in feet of 45 randomly selected professional football players and 40 randomly selected professional basketball players. You need to find out, is there any significant difference in the height of these two groups of players? First, set up your null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is there is no difference in the heights of football and basketball players. And alternative hypothesis is there is significant difference in the heights of football and basketball players. To test your hypothesis, compute independent t-test in MS Excel. Click Data tab and click Data Analysis command. From Analysis Tools, select t-test to sample assuming equal variances and click OK. Select input for variable 1 and variable 2 range. Select labels. Set alpha as 0.05. That means you are setting confidence interval of 95%. Choose New Worksheet and click OK. Independent t-test result is presented in New Worksheet. Format the numeric values to have a better view of the results. T-test result shows that the mean height of football players is 6.18 feet and basketball players is 6.45 feet with a variance of 0.13 and 0.10 respectively. The degrees of freedom is 83 and t-stat value is minus 3.68. T-critical one tail is 1.663 with p-value of 0.00, which is less than your alpha, that is 0.05. Hence, you reject the null hypothesis and can say that the heights of football and basketball players are significantly different. Independent t-test is appropriate to use when you have two independent samples, when sampling distribution is normally distributed, when sample size is greater than or equal to 30, when dependent variable is measured on interval or ratio scale, and finally, when the variance of the two groups are same.